Answer key. Homogeneous mixture is if you take a scoop of it. Okay, if you take a scoop of pink lemonade, if you take a chunk of what is that? Manila folder. If you take a nibbling out of marshmallow, and then take another of each, the ratio of components or ingredients remains the same. Okay, everything is evenly like mixed. All right. On the other hand, heterogeneous mixtures, if you take a handful of that delicious premium mixed nuts, that you may get the beloved Brazil nut in one handful, but then in another handful you get some scrumptious cashews. You get a different ratio of ingredients with each scooplet. All right, pizza. You take a bite, you get that savory slice of pepperoni on one bite, but then not in the other, and you cry. Or it doesn't have to be food, people. Get your brain out of the food. Like soil. You take a scooplet of soil, you may end up with just dirt, or you may end up with some grass in the dirt. Okay, different ratio of ingredients or components with each scoop. All right. So that being said, homogeneous mixtures, which ones don't belong? Fried fish. That fish looks gross. Get it out of here. Okay, because maybe in a bite of fried fish, you get more fish than fry, or vice versa. Zoink. Rocket chip made of so many different components. Obviously, if you take off a chunk of rocket chip, you may end up with one component over the other. So, gonzo. Remember, people, anything that's in a container, you're considering only what's in the container, not the combination of the container and the liquid or contents, right? This lemonade here, you're supposed to consider just the lemonade inside the glass, right? This little fruit salad parfait thingy, gone, because you might get a blueberry once niblet and then not the next. This gnarly looking shoe, take a bite out of that shoe, you may end up with some shoelace one time, but then some dirt and soil and sod and sweat another bite. Gonzo. Fish tank gone. Why did I put this one in here? Lava is not really like evenly mixed very well in most cases. So anyway, let's get rid of it. All right, the rest are fine, I think. Gone, all icing, no cake, vice versa. Tide Pods. In one moment, you're ingesting the blue portion, but not the white portion. Gross. Gone. Chocolate-covered pretzels. Gone. Ice cream with cone and sprinkles. Gone. Munchies. Gone. All right, I think you get the point here. Oh, I didn't even see this one here. Gosh. Sugar water. Oh boy. Oh, zoinks. I would say if you're considering the picture on the left before the sugar has been dissolved in water, that would be heterogeneous. But on the right, where the sugar has dissolved in the water, it is homogeneous. Oh man. Oh shucks. I'm gonna get rid of it. Boink. All right. This you're just considering the ice cream in the couplet. So I'd say it stays because it's just plain vanilla ice cream, no sprinkles on it. This stuff, this gas with different gases in it. This is the air I guess the air we breathe. It's 21% oxygen, 78% nitrogen. Other gases mixed in. I'd say it's not perfectly mixed. The gases have different densities. So you may have more oxygen higher up, nitrogen possibly more dense. You'll have more nitrogen lower, down lower, say like in a given room or space. So it's not perfectly mixed because of the varying densities of the different gases that make up air we breathe. So that would be heterogeneous, not homogeneous. Geez, more homogeneous. How many? There's the gnarly shoe again. Gone. This paper towel roll with the cardboard tube inside it. Hey, people, make sure whenever you throw away your tubes, with the paper towels or toilet paper, you rip open that cardboard tube because you throw that away, it ends up in the landfill, and then a little animal friend gets his little head stuck in it. okay, which may seem funny and may look funny, but it's not. All right, how would you like to live the rest of your life with a big giant cardboard tube stuck over your head? All right, now we're on the heterogeneous mixtures. So we got to get rid of the homogeneous mixtures that don't belong here on the heterogeneous slides. This is snow, I believe. It should be snow. It looks pretty clean and not dirty, so that's pretty homogeneous. Aluminium foil, not tin foil, people. They stopped making tin foil like after World War II. This being like ocean water, which definitely has a lot of funky stuff in it, not evenly mixed, really. So that's definitely heterogeneous. Okay, here we have like beach sand. Of course, you've looked at like sand, beach sand, or even sandbox sand. It's made of all different kinds of like minerals and little specks of different silica and different colors and shapes and textures and whatnot. So from far away, it may look homogeneous, but close up, it's definitely heterogeneous. That's a wrap. You are now in the mix with DJ Ethics.